I do agree with kind of going, almost like, dear agency owner, or dear your perfect client. Like, if you are struggling with
Hmm.
this is what I went through, and really just kind of take your time writing it out. I think that's a good exercise. I think that's a good challenge to all of us to go do. I always like to kind of give my mastermind
Hmm.
members challenges of going, here, like, we've talked the good talk. Now let's go execute. Because I always hate when people just talk and talk and then go, yep, 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 in one ear, out the other one. And I'm like, well, here's something really so simple. How long do you think we should write our love letter to our perfect client?
Forever. Start tomorrow and do it forever because, okay, ideal clients evolve, but who you are and what you care about and what you want your clients to care about probably stays the same. And, I think this is why your mastermind is so great because I'm sure in the beginning it will feel kind of a bit icky, but a bit awkward. What do you mean I have to be that personal? What do you mean I have to show up?
No.
But, you can test the content on each other and that will give you confidence to try new things out.
Well,
So,
the thing too is, like, if you think about it, your love letter is just really going to solidify or kind of announce your core values, what you believe in,
mhm,
right? People
I agree.
show up for, like, they don't show up for you, but they show up because you believe in something that they believe in. And there's that common thing. So, like, if there's people listening, we're like, man,
Mhm.
I love Knight Rider too, right? It'd be like, we
Right.
instantly connect. We'd be like, oh, you remember when Kit jumped over this, or how, like, all these machine guns could never
Yeah.
penetrate the door? Like, how cool is it? And, like, you could talk about it. Or Star Wars, that's a community, right?
I know, and it makes it so much easier. Or like you talk about, enabling agency growth without being too overwhelmed, so that you still have time for your family. So your ideal tribe is also into family life. So why not every now and then talk about it? Or if you like traveling or you like music, there are so many things. It's just about really deciding what stories are you happy to share. What stories are personal but not too private. And this would be another tip I like to say. If you're not too sure what to share, there's always stories you want to just keep to your family, to your closest, dearest, and friends. But other stories, they would really work probably on LinkedIn. I talked about loving the hop. Sorry, I talked about loving the hop in the
Mhm.
80s on LinkedIn. Yeah, it's really embarrassing, but it makes me approachable. And at the end of the day, I don't want to come across as this really serious coach who is not approachable, who doesn't get people. So it suits my branding.
I hope you enjoyed this content. If you want more content like this, make sure you click on the link on the screen or check out your most popular podcast platform where the full episode is there. And until next time, have a swank day. What are you doing? Go check it out. Click on the link. I'll see you soon.